It's my first week using the Elvie Breast Pump, and honestly, it changed my whole pumping experience. The first thing I noticed? How quiet it is. You can barely hear it, even in the middle of the night. And because it's hands-free, I can work, cook, or even relax while pumping. Cleaning it was easier than I expected, and the app tracking is super helpful. It tells me exactly how much milk I've pumped. After just a few days, I realized how much stress this little device saved me. If you're thinking about trying the Elvie Pump, I'd say, go for it. It's comfortable, discreet, and perfect for busy moms like us.